Welcome to the OpenClaw AI Mastery Training video course. A practical system for building AI automation and smarter online income workflows with OpenClaw.
Inside this training series, you'll learn how to use OpenClaw AI to automate tasks, streamline workflows, and create powerful AI-driven systems step by step.
Video number 1, Welcome to OpenClaw AI, the agent that changes everything. Video number 2, Installing and setting up OpenClaw. Video number 3, Understanding OpenClaw's memory system. Video number 4, Connecting OpenClaw to WhatsApp and Telegram. Video number 5, Email Automation Mastery with OpenClaw. Video number 6, Calendar and Scheduling Automation using OpenClaw. Video number 7, The Power of OpenClaw Integrations, 50+ tools explained. Video number 8, Building your first custom OpenClaw skill. Video number 9, Automating your content creation workflow. Video number 10, OpenClaw for Research Real-Time Web Intelligence. Video number 11, Faceless YouTube Channel Automation with OpenClaw. Video number 12, OpenClaw for Freelancers Delivering AI Services at Scale. Video number 13, Building a Digital Product Business with OpenClaw. Video number 14, Running an AI Agency Powered by OpenClaw. Video number 15, Affiliate Marketing Automation with OpenClaw. Video number 16, OpenClaw for Team Collaboration and Delegation. Video number 17, Privacy, Security, and Safe Use of OpenClaw. Video number 18, Troubleshooting OpenClaw Fixes for Common Challenges. Video number 19, Scaling your OpenClaw Ecosystem Across Projects. Video number 20, The Future of AI Agents, where OpenClaw is headed. Thank you for being part of this training series. Continue to the next lesson to start building smarter OpenClaw AI automation systems step by step.